This is our Jordan. We call him Nano. This is our Malia. She's Mia to us. And this is our baby Jackson.
Do it 1,000 times. Do it 1,000 times. Oh my gosh, look at all the snow we got.
We got about 11 inches of snow last night, and that's just in between these two buildings where it's kind of tucked away a little bit.
It's gonna be a lot of work to clean all this up. It's warmer inside playing with Uncle Cameron's cars.
What's up, YouTube? This is what you do when you come to the north. To the way north.
Yeah, but you look wussier than Uncle KK. Look over here. Uncle Caleb out here like it's summertime. Look at that. Hi, Caleb.
This is a lot more fun.
And then there's Raina's version of working hard. You working hard, Raina?
No.
This little guy says it's time for everybody to come in though, because it's just about dinner time. But really what we want to know is, what is up with that outfit?
That's how cool kids wear now.
Mommy's special tater tot casserole and Daddy's homemade fresh pumpkin muffins for dinner tonight.
Excuse me? Thank you.
I don't want to eat it.
Here, sit down.
And I have to grow the pumpkin.
She did it! Even though we lost power inside, we still had a generator so Uncle David could make a yummy brisket for dinner. But not much else happened for the rest of the day since we were all hanging out in the dark. I guess we'll try again tomorrow. Thankfully, the electricity came back on so we were able to complete this whole Christmas Eve dinner.
Grandma did most. Now it's time for a white elephant gift exchange and some Christmas Carol karaoke. Uncle Cameron is the biggest karaoke fan ever. In all the excitement, I forgot to record the opening of the gifts, but that's okay. We all had a fabulous time and everybody ended up happy.
It's time to go to sleep because Santa's gonna come.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to come back tomorrow when we see what Santa brings.